In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces and blend them together to make a composite face. So let's get started. I'm going to open a file, and I decided to choose Mr. Donald Trump's photo for this particular example. And I'm going to open another image, and this time I will choose Kamala Harris photo, and I will swap these two faces together. To make a selection, I will choose lasso tool from the tools bar, and I will make a selection to the portions of this image. I'm going to copy this selection, and I am switching back to my first image, and I will paste my selection here. As you can see, this layer is very small in size, so I'm going to apply a transformation on this layer, and I will increase its size. I'm going to reduce its opacity so that I can see underneath layer, so that it can be helpful for me to match the facial features of the both layers. Now I'm going to duplicate my background layer, and I will rename it to Trump, and I will unhide my bottom layer. I'm going to control click the top layer to select the pixels of this layer. I want to contract the selections, so I'm going into the selections menu, and I will choose contract, and I will contract it by 5 pixels. Now I will select Trump layer, and still my selection is active, and I'm going to press delete key to delete the pixels of the Trump layer. I will shift click and select both layers, and I will auto blend these two layers. So I'm going into the edit menu and select auto blend layers. Voila! I got this final image. It's look fantastic and wonderful. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that